Here we're identifying the vertex zeros, the line of symmetry, the domain, and the range of the parabola. So going to number 7 to begin with, we're going to look at that vertex, which is the point on the graph which either the highest or lowest point, depending upon if it opens upward or downward. This parabola is opening upward. Our lowest point on the graph where the graph changes direction is at -2, -4. So that would be our vertex, -2, -4. Okay. The zeros are the points where it is crossing the x-axis. So we have 2 here. So this one is -4, 0. And at 0, 0. So we write those in, -4, 0. And 0, 0. Okay. My line of symmetry is the vertical line that cuts the parabola in half, and it will always go through the vertex. And this line is x equals -2. Always write your line of symmetry in the form of an equation, and x equals whatever the x coordinate is of the vertex. X equals -2. This is a minimum because that the parabola is opening upwards. The lowest point is the minimum point, and the y coordinate is the value of the min. So we go min, so we'll actually just underline that, and we go y equals -4. My domain for all parabolas is x is all real numbers, indicated by a double stem R. And we're looking at the y values for the range. Well, all the y coordinates for every other point on that parabola is greater than -4. So we would go y greater than or equal to -4. Done. Number 2, here we're looking at the vertex. Again, that's the point where the graph changes direction. This is at 6, 4, 6, and the y is up 4. Okay, my zeros, 4. So this has a scale of 2 this direction. So this would be 4, 0. And 8, 0. My line of symmetry, again, is the vertical line intersecting with the vertex. So that is going to be x. That is going to be x equals 6. Take that value of the x coordinate of the vertex. This is the highest point on the graph. Therefore, it is a max. And my y value at that point is 4, which is the y coordinate of the vertex. My domain, again, is x is all real numbers. And this time my range, all my other y coordinates are less than 4. So we would go y less than or equal to 4. Okay. Vertex here looks like my scale is by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 8. So -8. So that's down -18. Here we're going by 1s. So there is 0, 1, -2, -3, -4. So looking at this looks like -1, 18, -18, -1, -18. It's real important to recognize what the scale is for your scale markings. So my zeros here are at 2, 0 and -4, 0. So we'll write those in, -4, 0 and 2, 0. Okay, line of symmetry would be x equals -1. Remember, it's the x coordinate of the vertex. This is a min, because my lowest number, my lowest point is down the bottom, so it's a min. And this is y equals, and again you go to the y coordinate here, equals negative 18. My domain again, x is all real numbers. And my range then is going to be y greater than or equal to negative 18.